where we dive into the world of mega machines, groundbreaking technology, and unbelievable engineering marvels. Today, we're exploring something that feels straight out of science fiction: machines that don't roll on wheels, but actually walk like living creatures. These robotic giants and mechanical beasts are redefining how we think about movement, construction, and even survival in extreme conditions. So, let's jump into the top 10 walking machines that don't use wheels. 10. The Spider Excavator, Menzi Muck. Kicking off our list is the Menzi Muck, often called the Spider Excavator. Unlike regular excavators that depend on tracks or wheels, this machine uses mechanical legs to grip, climb, and walk on the most difficult terrains. Imagine an excavator climbing up a mountain slope, standing inside a river, or working on uneven rocky surfaces where traditional machines would sink or topple. The Menzi Muck is specially designed for tasks like river maintenance, forestry, and steep hillside construction. Its legs can extend, retract, and bend independently, giving it spider-like agility. Watching this beast crawl is both eerie and impressive. It's like nature and machine fused together. 9. The Walking Forest Machine, Plus-Tech Timberjack. At number 9, we have the Plus-Tech Timberjack, a concept logging machine developed in Finland. Instead of rolling over fragile forest floors with heavy tires, this machine walks gently with 6 robotic legs. The purpose? To reduce damage to the soil and preserve delicate ecosystems. The Timberjack's walking system mimics the steps of large animals, spreading its weight evenly. It can stride across uneven land, step over obstacles like fallen logs, and even climb small hills. This walking forest machine proves that not all heavy-duty vehicles need to destroy nature to get the job done. 8. The Walking Harvester, Walking Forest Machine 2.0. Logging companies and researchers have been experimenting with another version of walking harvesters that combine robotic intelligence with leg-based mobility. Unlike wheeled harvesters that leave deep tracks in wetlands, these walking harvesters can step carefully around sensitive areas while still cutting, grabbing, and processing trees. They're like lumberjacks with legs of steel, built to minimize ecological impact while maximizing efficiency. This isn't just futuristic, it's a necessary shift towards sustainable machinery. 7. The Walking Truck, GE's Cybernetic Giant. Now, let's rewind back to the 1960s. General Electric engineers built one of the most ambitious walking machines ever, the walking truck. Standing over 12 feet tall, this four-legged beast was controlled by a human pilot using a system of hydraulic controls. The pilot's movements were mirrored by the legs, almost like wearing a giant exoskeleton. It could walk over rough terrain, climb obstacles, and even carry heavy loads. While it never made it into commercial production due to its complexity and cost, the GE walking truck remains one of the most fascinating walking machines ever built. 6. The Amphibious Walking Excavator. Imagine a machine that can walk on land and in water. That's exactly what amphibious walking excavators do. Equipped with adjustable mechanical legs, these excavators can wade into rivers, march through swamps, and even climb onto embankments. Traditional tracked excavators would sink in soft mud, but these walking versions step across with ease. They're vital for dredging, waterway construction, and flood defense projects. Watching an amphibious excavator climb out of a river onto solid land looks like a giant metal creature emerging from the deep. 5. The Bionic Kangaroo by Festo. At number 5, we move into the world of biomimicry, where machines imitate animals. German company Festo developed the Bionic Kangaroo, a robotic system that hops and balances just like a real kangaroo. It uses pneumatic actuators and smart control systems to jump forward, store energy, and leap again. While it's not a construction machine, it's a glimpse into the future of walking and hopping robots. Imagine delivery robots that bounce like kangaroos, or exploration machines that hop across alien landscapes. 4. The Walking Dredger, Aquatic Spider Machines. In specialized marine engineering, walking dredgers, also called aqua spiders, are used to step into lakes and rivers to remove sediments or clear waterways. Unlike floating dredgers, these machines literally walk into the water with long, extendable legs. Their spider-like stance keeps them stable even in deep water. From restoring natural habitats to keeping rivers navigable, walking dredgers are vital in situations where wheels or boats simply can't handle the job. 3. Boston Dynamics Big Dog. One of the most famous walking robots ever developed is Big Dog, created by Boston Dynamics. Originally funded by the U.S. military, Big Dog is a four-legged robot designed to carry heavy loads over rough terrain. It can walk, trot, and even regain balance if it's pushed or kicked. The machine uses advanced sensors and control systems to adapt its steps in real time, just like an animal. While Big Dog isn't a construction machine, its technology has influenced countless walking robots around the world, paving the way for legged machines that can support humans in the most extreme environments. 2. The Crabster CR200 Underwater Walking Robot. Taking second place is the Crabster CR200, a giant underwater walking robot developed in South Korea. Instead of swimming with propellers, it uses 6 powerful legs to crawl along the seabed, much like a crab. This design prevents it from being swept away by strong underwater currents. The Crabster is equipped with cameras, sonar, and tools to explore shipwrecks, conduct underwater research, and assist in marine construction. It's one of the rare machines that truly shows the advantage of walking over rolling, especially in the mysterious world beneath the waves. 1. The Walking Shipyard Giant, the Walking Gantry Crane. Finally, at number 1, we have one of the most jaw-dropping walking machines, walking gantry cranes used in shipyards and heavy industry. Instead of running on rails or wheels, these massive cranes use mechanical walking systems to inch forward step by step, carrying unbelievable loads. Some of these cranes are capable of lifting entire ship sections and repositioning them with accuracy. They're like mechanical dinosaurs, towering over industrial landscapes and proving that sometimes legs are better than wheels when handling extreme weight and uneven ground. From spider-like excavators to underwater crabs and futuristic kangaroo bots, walking machines are pushing the limits of what's possible. These machines prove that wheels and tracks aren't the only way to move massive loads or conquer difficult terrain. And who knows, one day, walking machines might be building cities on Mars or exploring the deepest parts of our oceans. Thanks for watching Machine Eyes 360. If you enjoyed this countdown of the top 10 walking machines that don't use wheels, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest dive into the world of mega machines.